Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here with you with another new video. So today by the thumbnail and title you all of you came to know what I'm going to talking about. So the thing is that today we'll talk about like what type of game you should play, then what are the benefits and loss, and which is better, the online or the offline, then etc we'll talk. So let us begin the video. So make sure that don't forget to subscribe and like because now it is the growing channel just started. So if you like and subscribe, I make it motivated. So the first thing is that the game should be easy game, which do not make more pressure on you and do not waste time on completing mission level. So because sometimes when you play any game, so it takes a lot of time like 20 to 30 minutes to finish a mission or level. So it's a quite hard task, and it consume more time, and sometimes it create a huge pressure on us. We may because these games or everything, there most of the family they take these games as a optional thing, they don't give much important. So we should keep in mind that the game should not consume more time, and it does not create any problem in your house. The benefit of easy game is that when you play this easy game, so we need less focus, and which makes our when we are less focused anything in a mobile, so it prevent our eye damage and mental stress. The game which you play, make sure that it consume less storage, because when we play some of the game, they already have storage, but they on the downloading time they say that they may consume extra like more storage. But you know that those who are playing game, like they exceed their storage and they create some problem in the mobile, like hanging, then causing virus in the mobile, and etc many problem they create. So make sure that the game which you play, it takes less storage, so this will give you a smooth running of the game. So the next very important thing is that avoid abusive, violent and nudity game. This will create negativity in your mind, and this will reduce respect towards other, because when you listen or watch this type of game, this creates a bad mindset in our brain, which gives a completely negativity inside your mind. One of the another big hard tough task that some of you may not agree with this, but you should understand the reality is that avoid multiplayer and this online games, because when we play with your friends or with someone, sometimes we lose, so it creates some bad impact on us. Even sometimes judged by how you play the game, you lose that game, we get mocked by the friends or the someone else, because the thing is that's underage, especially those who play, they take these games very seriously like real life things. Here comes the another last topic of this video, which it has much controversy that which one is better, online game or offline game. So we are going to talk about that today. Hope that this will clear your all the problems and doubt. Let me tell both benefit and loss. Online games, it gives enjoyment and fun with friends, helps to explore more, but it has more side effects like bullying on game, using abusive language, making competition which led to enemy among friends, having pressure because you may have lose game and may be insulted by friends. This will make you aggressive. They will get more chances to mock and judge you. My main aim of this video is to let no one get a chance to judge you. You are hero for yourself. Some online games take your location and information, which I see totally baseless. Never allow location. Another big problem is we need to spend for data, which is totally a loss for you. If you have Wi-Fi, then it's okay. My video is not like anything against any online gamer like that, but the thing that which I among the players that they're facing different type of problem, and the main problem they're facing is due to this online game only. So that's the thing I want to main focus on, because not only this online games only creating some problem, but offline also have some problem. But the online is that like they have a certain period of time they have to finish that game, otherwise they may have problem, That when the parents call in the middle of the playing game, they won't response. So this is the problem. So I'm saying that the problem of these online games. So the last topic of this video is that offline game. So the offline game, the most important and the most happiest thing for a person is that it doesn't require any internet. When you're bored, you can play and have some fun. It also saves your data money. It also gives you unlimited chances in mission. The question is how. Example, in online game you're playing with your friend, but you lose on that game, and your image on that game may get mocked sometime. Especially this case happens in underage student, breaking friendship with friends, fighting for not sharing gun in game. This is from my real experience. Offline makes less risk in cyber attack. And another important thing is that in offline game there is less ads as compared to the online game, because when you play online game there is a huge ads, like even after 2 minutes 3 minutes you will get one ad, which is totally horrible and waste of time. Here comes the end. Okay, last thing, don't forget to comment which game you like and why, and subscribe and like the video. Hope that this video was useful to you all. Thank you.